Happy holidays and a happy new year! Wait, hey, didn't 2022 just start not long ago? It indeed feels like it did, right? But in the blink of an eye, 2022 is gone. As hard as it may be to believe, we are almost arriving in 2023. But even as the year flew by, we should look back before we turn the year's page and commemorate what a fantastic year 2022 was here at K6. By stating that time flew by, I may have made it sound like little happened, but it was quite the opposite. As time flew by because so many incredible things happened while we completed another trip around the sun. Especially for me, the year started on a high note as I took the opportunity to join K6. Imagine that, me, a silly kid from Mexico City, joining a famous company, surrounded by the best team, with an incredible culture, and accepting the mission to collaborate with the DevRel team in educating the world on the ways of the performance testing trade. As soon as I arrived, I met great people that were already in this incredible journey.
And hello, everyone. So, my name is Pepe. I have been in the KC team for now 8 years. My role is as a technical content manager, marketing manager.
Hello, my name is Samuel. I have been at K6 for 6 years, and I am one of the two team leads for the backend team at K6.
Hey everyone, I'm Victor. I'm a technical support engineer here at K6 and been in the company for 3.5 years at this point.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bom dia. I am Nicole van der Hoeven. I am currently in Portugal. I am a developer advocate at K6 and I've been here for just over 2 years.
Hey everybody, I'm Daniel. I'm a technical program manager here at K6. I have been at the company since 2020. I joined as an intern and now I'm working as a technical program manager, mostly helping in product and engineering to ship great things.
But I was not the only one who experienced the dream of joining this company. The team grew during 2022 as new team members joined too.
Hey everyone, I'm Marco. I'm an engineering manager at K6, mainly focused on the backend side of our cloud product, and I've been in Grafana for almost 1 year now.
Hi everyone, I'm Lukasz. I'm a senior software engineer here at Grafana. I just joined very recently in August 2022. Currently, I work on K6 Extempo integration, which is entering its private beta stage.
Hey everyone, my name is Marie and I currently work as a DevRel here at K6. So I've just been with the company for about 4 months.
We could keep sharing details about the K6 team for hours. But many more things happened during 2022 in this organization. To start, we had the first anniversary of the Grafana's acquisition of K6. That anniversary came with many technological, cultural, and organizational integrations. And speaking about Grafana, 2022 brought several product launches as well, such as Mimir, OnCall, Flare, and Faro. And during this passing year, K6 and Grafana joined forces to bring several extraordinary things.
2022, what I have liked the most, or have liked seeing the most, is the people who have recently joined the company. This is something also that I like the most on the last year, has been on the team offsite. First event in Whistler, Canada was the Grafana Fest. We joined all the Grafanistas together. First time that I met with everyone in the company. The second get-together or team offsite was Crococon in Stockholm, where we hang out all the K6 team.
About last year, I liked the most the people, I will say. Also, I was able to meet some of them in person during the 2 offsites that we had this year. We had Grafana Fest in Canada, and then another one only for the K6 squad, or the K6 part of the company, named Crococon in Stockholm. And that was really, really great.
What I liked the most about 2022 was the ObservabilityCon that happened in New York this year. It happened just after I joined Grafana, and I was able to attend the event to spread the word about K6.
From 2022, what I like the most about K6 is hanging out with the people, to join the entire team at an event called CrocoCon. So this is an in-person event. As a new joiner, it was really, really useful for me just to interact with, actual people like in 3D and get to know them a bit more. That has to be my most favorite part, meeting everyone at K6.
The main highlight of the 2022 was CrocoCon. So it's our K6 only conference, usually held in Stockholm. We all got to meet up, or almost everyone, and it was great meeting everybody in person after almost several years staying at home and not meeting your colleagues. So it was a fantastic experience.
My favorite thing from 2022 was actually getting to meet some of my colleagues in person. It was great to see them at CrocoCon, and we had a lot of fun, and we got to spend a whole week together. That's my favorite thing from 2022.
In general, I think that we have grown quite a bit in the backend team, which both got a lot of new collaborators and a lot of new colleagues. Of course, meeting everyone after COVID was over, meeting everyone in our CrocoCon meeting was really, really nice as well.
So what I liked the most was integrating tighter with Grafana teams in general, and seeing that collaboration grow. We got a huge amount of new K6 team members, new crocodiles. We had our CrocoCon finally, and we had our first Grafana Fest, which were awesome.
CrocoCon,
Grafana Fest,
CrocoCon,
Grafana Fest,
CrocoCon,
Grafana Fest,
CrocoCon,
CrocoCon,
ObservabilityCon,
CrocoCon.
CrocoCon.
We all were so happy to be able to break the barrier of seeing another human being directly in the eyes without a video call. Sharing in-person moments, fun, and collaborations gave everyone a massive rush of joy. Not to mention an opportunity for many to play together, hold hands, and finally find out how tall everyone is in real life. But not everything last year was about in-person events and people. 2022 also brought several new K6 features that everyone loved.
The best things were the new products, I think. Crocospans, K6 browser, K6 disruptor, scenarios in the test builder were awesome. Support for environment variables in the UI. The Grafana K6 Cloud plugin get really cool and cool looking. So yeah, those are my highlights.
Some of the features of 2022 that I liked the most are private load zones, for example, the ability for users to run tests in a cloud of their own. The new team feature is something I worked on myself, which is allowing you to put a level between the organization and the project in your test run, and allow organizations to group and better organize the users and members.
The feature that I like the most in 2022 has been first feature Grafana Tempo K6 on Grafana Cloud. On K6 open source has been promised support that comes with a upcoming feature, a way that I think it will help K6 to other projects like the K6 operator or all the other extensions that have been created. That has been also featured pretty exciting thing.
Out of 2022, my favorite feature is experimental modules, because all of these extensions already existed, but being able to bring them into K6 just with the single import line, I think that is game-changing. I like options.
For 2022, the thing that I was very excited about is the Crocospans. Officially, it's called K6 Extempo integration. It's quite a big feature, and we've just released it for a private beta. The reason I'm excited about is because it adds a whole new dimension to our result analysis.
So for 2022, the favorite feature that I actually enjoyed using the most at K6 is none other than the XK6 browser extension. Having a feature that can actually also test your front-end system, having that hybrid approach to performance testing is really one of my most favorite feature at the moment.
The features I like the most that were, I think, released in 2022, it is the K6 operator for Kubernetes. I like that we are offering such a solution for native distributed tests running on Kubernetes. Yeah, I think it is an amazing project. Still a lot of room for improvement, but I think we are getting there.
I loved a lot of features and things that we have been working on during this past year, in special the X-Kisses browser extension. It's an amazing work from our team. Also the Disruptor extension, that it's all about chaos engineering. All the refactorings in Kisses Cloud, the front-end UI. Also a new integration with Grafana Cloud Tempo that we have been working on.
There were so many news, features, and exciting projects around our K6 suite. 2022 was definitely a great year full of events, relationships, releases, and energy flowing everywhere. And as we finally turn the page away from 2022, we start looking ahead into what is coming for this upcoming 2023. Everyone in K6 is excited about what the year may bring, almost like children about to open their presents under the Christmas tree.
So there are probably a few events that will be happening in 2023 that I'm excited about. I'm definitely excited about GrafanaCon, which is going to be, I believe, in June.
For 2023, one of the things that I'm most excited about is the fact that we're actually going to have so many people in the backend team in K6 Cloud that it's going to be a very big challenge to glue all the pieces together and have everybody productive and build the next generation of our software that we have huge plans for.
I am looking forward the most of 2023, trying to build a product with a great developer experience, improving little details. I am looking forward to seeing the X6 Disruptor. I am looking forward for our integration with the synthetic monitoring product of Grafana. I would like to see a new check API or giving more flexibility to the check API of K6.
I look forward the most in 2023 with going live with the XK6 browser in the cloud, Chaos and Crocospon's products, seeing the light of day and seeing how our customers react to them, the Grafana GKO, and of course, next CrocoCon.
So I'm always looking forward to actually meeting everyone. This one event coming in February and then one happening later on. Feature-wise is our closer integration with Grafana. In the future, you are going to be able to click a button in the Grafana stack and get a fully functioning K6 setup.
In 2023, the feature I'm most excited about is distributed tracing, because it's the first time that we're really venturing out of just load testing and into observability. But I'm also really excited on the personal front to get to see everybody again, of course, at the next Grafana event.
What I'm really looking forward to next year is for K6 to be not just known as a load testing tool, but also to be known as a tool for other use cases of testing, such as browser testing, chaos testing, end-to-end testing, and we've officially launched our K6 Champions program at the end of 2022. So that's really something that I'm looking forward to next year.
I'm really excited about in next year being able to move forward this integration with Tempo. Right now we're in private beta and we're targeting general availability during next year, so that's really, really cool. I'm same thing with browser and chaos, right? Seeing those new features, products, utilities in K6 ecosystem grow and get better is going to be very exciting.
As you can see, aside from hope and joy, this new year will bring so much from the Grafana K6 team. Everyone looks forward to what's coming after we have completed and turned the page on another trip around the sun. Full of good wishes, holiday vibes, and the welcoming of new times, we would like to thank everyone who was with us on this journey from 2022 into 2023.
Yeah, thank you all for the engagement during this past last year. It was amazing from the community standpoint. Yeah, looking forward more cool things next year. See you all. Feliz Navidad!
Thank you everybody from the community for using K6 and Grafana. Hopefully the upcoming years will be very exciting in terms of features that we are going to bring into the mix. And yeah, happy holiday, Wesołych Świąt.
Cool. So that's 2022. So I look forward to more collaboration with the community, more office hours. Those are always fun. That's it. Merry Christmas to everyone and Manigong Bagong Taon. Bye-bye.
I hope that everybody will be excited when they see what we have in store as much as we are excited right now building it. Hopefully you like it as much as we do. And yeah, cheers and have a great 2023.
The best part about being at K6 is having such an awesome open source community behind us that are really excited about the things that we're doing. And I hope you'll follow along for 2023. Feliz Natal and Fröhlich Kerstfest.
Actually, I do want to wish God Jul in Swedish. So this is Merry Christmas and Gott Nytt År. So a good New Year. Happy New Year.
Check out our open positions. It's really cool to work here, and have great holidays, everyone, and goodbye.
I want to thank everyone in the K6 community. So just people in the K6 team, or just people on the K6 user community, K6 champion, and all the Grafani staff who have helped during this year. On K6, I'm looking forward for 2023. Okay, goodbye, happy holiday, everyone.
Again, thank you all for these adventures together as we say goodbye to the old year. Wishing you all happy holidays from the Grafana K6 family. We look forward to the new adventures this new year will bring to everyone. Thank you all so very much. And now, let's pick up where we left. Happy holidays and a happy new year for you all.